Welcome back, guys. Hope you guys had a good 4th of July. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. I got the Boomba bypass valve. I got spark plugs, which I actually received sooner than what's in this actual package for the unboxing. But I mean, they're just spark plugs, so we won't show those. What else did I get? I got the group end pitch stop mount. And then lastly, we got the Perrin 3-inch turbo inlet. So let's dig right in and show you guys what we got. So we are open. Let's see. They have some wrapping paper in here. And there we go. I am partially sponsored by Import Image Racing. So go check them out. They have tons of parts and really great customer service. ImportImageRacing.com. On the other hand, I think this should be my 3-inch turbo inlet. We'll start with this one. It's from Perrin. Let me get this open. Nice. They sent a nice license plate frame. Sweet. I actually wanted one for my front plate. Here's the all the hardware with some hose clamps. Then we got, oh wow. So I've watched different videos, and they had little hose fittings that went into the turbo inlet, so then you could connect your vacuum lines. And all those videos looked like they were plastic, and now it seems like they updated them to metal. So that's a big plus. I like that a lot. Then there's a 90-degree here. I'm guessing maybe use that for your electronic boost controller. Not sure yet, but I'll find out. Little hose clamps, and then sweet, they threw in that freaking license plate cover. So there's that. Some more wrapping paper. Here's the actual adapter that lets you connect the turbo inlet hose to your turbo. Let me get this out of the package. And then you do reuse that seal from your stock one, so make sure you don't throw that away. Check this out. It's a nice matte finish. Awesome quality, honestly. This feels really solid. I love the finish. I mean, I'm never going to be looking at it, but I'm honestly, I love this a lot. Let's put that to the side. Here's the actual hose. Nice and wrapped up to avoid damage. I just went with the black one. They offer it in red as well, but I didn't want to go that route, so I just got nice simple black. So right here, these two bottom inlets is where those fittings will go into, if I remember right, and then this top big one is for your bypass valve, and this side one I believe goes to the electronic boost controller. This side takes in the adapter plate for your turbo, and then this side goes to your intake. So from the videos I've watched, they've had to snip down the bypass valve section, so we'll see if we have to do that. If we do, then I'll mention it in a different video, which is going to feature all the installs. Heck yeah. Everything looks great to me. Let's put that back real quick and move on to the next one. Alright, so digging back into the box, we got the Boomba bypass valve. Comes in a nice, neat little box. Mine came in black, but there's also silver, red, and blue. And I got this from Import Image Racing. Let me see, let me try to open this with one hand. There's a seal right there. Let me see, does that pop up? It's kind of hard with the camera in one hand. But here we go. It's not. Ooh, it came with a sticker. And I just tossed it to the side. Comes with a Boomba Racing sticker. Vacuum line. And then the bypass valve. I've seen on the forum that a lot of people have problems with these leaking. or I mean, at least that's what it says on the forum, but any reviews I've actually taken a look at, they all seem to be positive. So we'll give it a shot. We'll see what happens. Doesn't hurt to try, right? Well, I guess besides my pockets, but I'll still give it a go. This thing is a lot smaller than I was picturing, honestly. It's about the size of OEM, but I mean, overall it seemed a lot bigger from the pictures. But yeah, there it is, Boomba bypass valve in black. Put that back in the box. Try to do it carefully. Move it to the side. More wrapping paper, keeping my stuff safe. Here's the last one. Let me see. Don't want to cut myself, do I? Alright, that's done. Slice the top. Turn it around. They say to always cut away from you to avoid cutting yourself. Break the rules a little bit. Here's that group N pitch stop mount. I didn't want to go with anything too solid. Didn't want to feel all that vibration inside. I still daily my car, so I took that into consideration. So if you guys are just thinking about boosting up your daily and making it a little bit quicker and don't want all those vibrations from a solid pitch stop mount, then it's a big recommendation. Obviously I have not ran it yet, but after I've had some time with it, I'll give a review and I can do a first impressions. It's wrapped up like a piece of meat. Nice little New York steak. It's kind of hard with one hand, but let me try to get it. There we go, came out. So there she is. Seems a lot more beefed up. Has the STI logo on it. Won't focus. This thing with my little camera. I have a DJI Osmo Pocket. This thing sucks at focusing at times, but nice solid bushings. Seems a lot more sturdy than the OEM one, to be honest. That one flexes a ton. But yeah, I'll get this installed. I'll get everything else installed. I'll give a review after some time, and I'll let you guys know how everything is. This is just an unboxing. Hope you guys liked the last one. If you haven't seen it, go take a look at it. Here's the WRX. It's time to start slapping everything on so I can start tuning. And I'll be ambot tuned. I'll start making videos of that process as well. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video, and have a great day.